Hi everyone, hope you are all okay. Today we're going to discuss how to design a Pinterest pin. Hope you are all interested in this topic. If you are, then stick around. Let's just go through it. We are going to use Canva, the free design tool, to design the Pinterest pin. So you have to select the create a design menu. Once you've done that, so because I've already created pins before, I do have an option, but you can just type it here and it will just go through the search and it will bring it up, right? So just select the Pinterest pin option. It will bring you to this page where you will be designing your pins. So this will be your empty canvas. If you can see on your left hand side, there are different templates that you can choose from, right? So it's up to you as to which one would you like to select. So let's see, for the purpose of this illustration, let's just select one. We can start with this one. So this doesn't look bad. So select any template that you would like to work on, any free template. Remember, there are ones that are not free that you need to pay for. The one with the pro icon here, it means it's not free, right? Now that we've selected the template, so this is a template that we're going to work with. So basically what you need to do, we can enhance it so that we can just change it according to our own liking. Let's say keto diet. So I think I'm going to keep the font type. I'm not going to change it. And let's just increase the font so it can just look nice. That's nice, right? To delete this one. So I think let me just make it a bit bigger again. That doesn't look bad. And remove this. I don't think we'll need it. And let's just brand it to our own name. So you can use your own name, but for me, since my brand is Caddy's Marketing, I'm going to use that. So now I think let's just bold it, and I think let's just add an element to it, right? So let's just add a box and just put this text inside the box. Better. I think I'm happy with this one. Let's just change the color. So this looks nice. I think I like it like this. So the next step that we need to do, you can also change the color, right? If you're not happy with the color, you can just select it, change the background. Which one should we go with? But I think I'm gonna keep this one. It doesn't look bad, right? Or I think let's just add the pictures first and we'll see which ones we're going to use. So we can remove the images, and you have two options. You can use images from Canva itself. You go to photos and you use images from here. You can just say keto diet and nice pictures will come up, and you can use pictures from here. But also bear in mind, you can only use free pictures. That is if you don't have a pro package. So for me, since I'm using a free version of Canva, so I won't be able to use the ones that has a pro icon. So another option is you can go to Pixel or Pixabay to get images for free. So we can just say keto diet, and you'll get nice pictures that you can use, and these pictures are for free. So I'll just select the pictures and then I'll come back to you just now. Okay, you can just upload the pictures that you worked on just now from Pixels. You just upload, then it will be uploaded to Canva, and you can select it. But first let's remove this one, and we can use this one, and you can just drag it and size this however you better. So this looks nice, right? So this is the picture that we're going to use. So this will be our pin, right? So this is the pin that you're going to use on Pinterest. So thanks guys for watching my video, and I'm hoping to see you again for more videos to come. And thanks. So watch out for the next video where I will show you how you upload the pin to Pinterest. Thanks guys. Cheers.